Okay, so have you ever thought about redesigning a room,
Hmm.
like maybe your living room or kitchen,
Yeah.
and you just get totally overwhelmed by all the choices?
Oh, yeah,
Like,
totally.
where do you even begin?
Right.
Well, that's what we're diving into today.
Okay.
This tool called Home Design AI
Interesting.
uses AI to generate design ideas, and it does it super fast.
AI for design, huh? That's pretty cutting edge.
I know, right? It can do everything from suggesting furniture to completely reimagining the layout of a space.
So it's not just like swapping out a couch for a different couch.
No, not at all. It can get way more creative than that.
Hmm. I'm intrigued. How does it actually work?
So you upload a photo of your space
Okay.
and you tell the AI what kind of room it is, like
Mm-hmm.
the living room, bedroom, kitchen, whatever.
Got it.
And then you pick a design style.
Okay.
And get this, they have over 75 different styles to choose from.
Wow. That's a lot of options.
Right. And then you can choose how much you want the AI to intervene.
Intervene. What do you mean?
So there's this slider that goes from low intervention to extreme.
Oh, I see.
So if you just want some subtle tweaks, you can keep it low.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want the AI to go all out, you crank it up to extreme.
That's pretty cool. So you can kind of control how much you want the AI to change things.
Exactly. And then boom, it generates these design ideas.
I'm curious to see what these AI-generated designs actually look like.
Me too. But before we get into that,
Yeah.
I think it's important to talk about the whole AI versus human designer thing.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
Is this tool a threat to designers, or is it more of a partner?
Right, because some people might worry that AI is going to take over the design world.
Exactly. That's something we definitely need to discuss.
Definitely.
So what do you say we dive into some of the specific features of Home Design's AI?
Sounds good to me.
And then we could talk about who might benefit from using it.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so one of the coolest features is called Beautiful and Creative Redesigns.
Okay, that sounds promising. What does it do?
So it basically takes your space and reimagines the entire layout and aesthetic.
Wow, so it's not just about like rearranging furniture.
Nope. It can suggest moving walls, adding architectural details, really transforming the space.
That's pretty wild. I mean, it's one thing to suggest a different paint color, but moving walls, that's a whole other level.
I know, right? It's like having a virtual design team come in and completely renovate your space.
So does it like provide actual construction plans?
It doesn't get that detailed. It's more about giving you a visual representation of what's possible.
Oh, okay, so it's more like a starting point for your imagination.
Exactly. It's like a really advanced mood board.
That makes sense. So it's not meant to replace an architect or contractor, but it can help you visualize what's possible.
Right. It's all about sparking those aha moments.
I like that. So it's like having a virtual design consultant, but without the, actual consultant fees.
Exactly. It's about making design more accessible to everything.
That's a great goal. Okay, so besides the beautiful and creative redesigns, what other features are there?
Well, there's this one called Fill the Room.
Fill the room. What's that all about?
So imagine you have an empty room or even just a space that needs some new furniture.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
With Fill the Room, you can virtually furnish the space.
Oh, that's cool. So you can like try out different furniture arrangements?
Yeah, and different styles too.
So you can see how everything works together before you actually buy anything.
Exactly. It's perfect for people who are indecisive about furniture or just want to experiment with different looks.
I could see myself spending hours playing around with that feature.
Me too. It's kind of addicting.
Okay, so we've got beautiful redesigns and virtual furniture. What else?
All right, this next one is a game changer.
Okay, I'm all ears.
It's called AI Furniture Removal.
AI furniture removal. Huh. What does that do?
So, you know how when you're trying to redesign a room, you can get stuck on what's already there?
Oh, yeah, totally. Like the existing furniture and clutter can really block your vision.
Exactly. But with this feature, you just point it at a photo of your room, and the AI digitally removes the furniture.
Wait, really? So it's like a magic eraser for your furniture.
Exactly. You're left with a blank slate to work with.
That is so cool. I can't believe that's even possible.
I know, right? It's like they read our minds and knew exactly what we needed.
Okay, I'm officially impressed. So what else can this AI do?
Well, have you ever seen a piece of furniture in a magazine or a movie and thought, I need that in my life?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Well, with Home Designed AI's worldwide AI furniture finder, you can actually find it.
Wait, what? How does that work?
So you take a picture of the furniture or even just a screenshot from a movie,
Okay.
and the AI will identify the furniture and tell you where you could buy it or something similar.
No way. That's amazing. It's like having a personal shopper for your entire home.
I know, right? It's like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Okay, so we've got beautiful redesigns, virtual furniture, a magic eraser for furniture, and a personal shopper. This tool is pretty incredible.
I know, right? It's like they thought of everything.
So who exactly is this tool for? I mean, obviously homeowners who are interested in design.
Yeah, definitely. But it goes way beyond that.
Oh, really? Like who else?
Well, think about real estate agents.
Okay.
They could use this for virtual staging, to show potential buyers what an empty property could look like.
Oh, that's smart. So instead of actually staging the property, they could just use the AI to virtually furnish it.
Exactly. And they could even show the property in different styles to appeal to different buyers.
That's a great idea. It could save them a lot of time and money.
And what about landscapers?
I hadn't thought of that.
They could use it to show clients quick design ideas for their outdoor spaces.
Oh, that makes sense. So instead of drawing up elaborate plans, they could use the AI to generate some initial concepts.
Right. And it could help the clients visualize the potential of their yards.
So we've got homeowners, real estate agents, landscapers. Who else?
Even professional interior designers could benefit from using this tool.
Really? How so?
Well, they could use it as a brainstorming tool, to quickly generate a bunch of different design ideas.
Oh, I see. So it could help them get past that initial creative block.
Exactly. And it could also save them time so they can focus on the more specialized aspects of the design process.
That makes sense. So it sounds like this tool has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach home design.
I think so. It's like having this incredible resource at your fingertips.
But let's not forget about the human element.
Right. We still need designers to bring those AI-generated ideas to life.
Exactly. It's about collaboration, not replacement.
So it's like AI is the brainstorming partner, and the human designer is the one who refines and executes the vision.
Exactly. It's a team effort.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about the features and who might benefit from using HomeDesignsAI.
Yeah, it sounds like a pretty amazing tool.
But now I want to see what this AI can actually do.
Me too. Let's take a look at some real-world examples.
All right, let's dive into the latest design section and see what this AI has come up with.
I'm excited to see what it can do.
Okay, so we've seen what this AI can do in theory,
Right.
but I'm ready to see some actual before and afters.
Me too. Let's dive into the latest design section.
Perfect. Okay, so this first one is a bathroom.
Okay.
And it's in the Scandinavian minimalist style.
Ooh, I love that style. It's so clean and simple.
Right, so the before picture is like this really dated bathroom.
Oh no, like 1980s dated.
Yes, exactly.
Hmm.
With like dark wood cabinets and floral wallpaper.
Oh, I can picture it. It's giving me grandma's bathroom vibes.
And like a tiny shower stall.
Okay, yeah, that definitely needs an update.
But then the after picture is like a completely different world.
Really? Let's hear it.
So the AI got rid of all the dark wood and replaced it with sleek white cabinets.
Okay, that's a good start.
And the wallpaper's gone too.
Thank goodness.
Instead, they have this beautiful textured tile.
Ooh, I love that.
And they added a freestanding soaking tub.
Wow, now we're talking.
I know, right? It's like a spa bathroom now.
Did it suggest moving any of the plumbing fixtures?
Yeah, actually, it moved the vanity to a different spot.
Interesting. To create a better flow, I'm guessing.
Exactly. And to maximize the space.
So it's not just about aesthetics, it's thinking about functionality, too.
Right, which is super important in a bathroom.
Totally. Okay, so this AI is officially bathroom goals.
I agree. All right, let's see what else we got.
Okay, this next one is a living room.
Okay.
And it's in the industrial chic style.
Oh, cool. I love that style, too. It's so edgy and modern.
So what was the before like?
It was pretty generic and kind of cluttered.
Okay, nothing special.
Yeah, and the furniture was mismatched, and there wasn't really a cohesive style.
So a blank canvas for the AI.
Exactly, and the AI went all out with this one.
Oh, really? What did it do?
So it added exposed brick walls
Ooh, nice.
and metal accents.
Okay, I'm liking this.
And then it brought in some vintage-inspired furniture.
Cool. So it's mixing those industrial elements with some softer touches.
Yeah, exactly. And for lighting, it suggested a big statement pendant light.
That's a good idea. It would really draw the eye up.
And for the color palette, it went with mostly neutrals, but added pops of color in the artwork and accessories.
That's a classic industrial chic move.
It really transformed the space. It's so stylish and inviting now.
I'm impressed. This AI knows its stuff.
It really does. All right, let's look at one more.
Okay, this one is a bedroom.
Okay.
And the style is bohemian modern.
Oh, that's a fun one. It's so eclectic and vibrant.
So tell me about the before.
It was pretty bland and boring.
Okay, nothing exciting.
Yeah. The walls were white, the furniture was basic, and it wasn't much personality.
So was it a good candidate for an AI makeover?
Definitely. So the AI brought in a ton of color and texture.
Oh, how?
It added a colorful rug and some throw pillows with interesting patterns.
Okay, that's a good start.
And it suggested some macarone wall hangings and a canopy over the bed.
Wow, that sounds so dreamy.
I know, right? And for furniture, it brought in some pieces with natural wood and woven details.
That fits the bohemian vibe perfectly.
And it even added some plants to bring in some life.
I love that. It really completes the look.
It's amazing how the AI can take a bland space and turn it into something so unique and personal.
It really is. It's like it knows what kind of vibe you're going for, and then it just makes it happen.
Okay, so we've seen a bathroom, a living room, and a bedroom.
Yeah, and they were all amazing transformations.
This AI is seriously talented.
I know, right? It's making me want to redesign my entire house.
Me too. But before we go crazy with the renovations,
Yeah.
I think it's important to remember that the AI is just a tool.
Right. It can give us ideas, but it's up to us to bring those ideas to life.
Exactly. And we still need human designers to make sure those ideas are functional and safe.
That's a good point. We don't want to end up with a beautiful house that falls apart.
Or a house that looks amazing in pictures but is a nightmare to actually live in.
Exactly. So it's all about finding that balance between AI and human expertise.
I agree. It's a team effort.
So what do you think is the future of AI in home design?
That's a good question. I think we're just scratching the surface.
Me too. I think we'll see even more sophisticated AI tools in the years to come.
Tools that can do even more than what HomeDesigsAI can do.
Exactly. Like maybe AI that can actually design and build a house from scratch.
Wow, that would be wild.
I know, right? The possibilities are endless.
It's an exciting time to be in the world of design.
I totally agree. So what do you say we wrap things up here?
Sounds good?
I think we've covered a lot of ground today.
We have. We talked about what HomeDesigsAI is.
Right.
We explored its features. And we saw some amazing before and afters.
It's safe to say I'm impressed.
Me too. I think this tool has the potential to change the way we approach home design.
I agree. It's a game changer.
So if you're thinking about redesigning your space,
Yeah.
definitely check out HomeDesigsAI.
It's worth exploring.
All right, thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
My pleasure.
And we'll catch you next time for another fascinating exploration. It's amazing how technology is changing everything, even home design.
Right. Like who would have thought we'd be using AI to come up with design ideas?
Yeah, it's wild. And to think AI can help us visualize renovations or even pick out furniture.
It really shows how fast AI is changing things.
Totally. It's like AI is finding its way into every part of our lives.
And it's especially interesting to see how AI is being used for creative stuff, like design.
Yeah, because design has always been about human creativity and intuition,
Exactly.
But now AI is shaking things up.
It's challenging those old ideas about what it means to be a designer.
Right, it's not just about sketching or building models anymore.
It's about using these new digital tools and figuring out how they fit into the design process.
And that's where the real magic happens.
Totally. It's not about AI replacing humans.
It's about AI can push us to think differently and come up with new ideas.
It's like having a superpower.
Right, you can tap into this huge database of design knowledge and use it to fuel your own creativity.
And the best part is anyone can benefit from it.
Whether you're a pro or just starting out with design.
HomeDesigsAI gives you the freedom to experiment and play around with ideas.
It helps you figure out what you really like.
And who knows, maybe in the future we'll all have our own AI design assistants. Right? Imagine having an AI that could create a home that's perfect for you.
A home that really reflects your personality and your needs.
It's an exciting thought.
It really is, and I think HomeDesigsAI is a step in that direction.
I agree. It's helping to make that vision a reality.
Well, I think that about wraps up our deep dive into home design AI.
It's been a great conversation.
It has. It's been fascinating to explore how technology and design are coming together.
It's amazing to see how innovation is changing the world around us.
Totally. And for everyone listening, if you're feeling inspired to try out HomeDesigsAI, be sure to check out the link in our episode description.
And let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your thoughts on using AI for design.
Thanks for joining us on the deep dive.
It's been a pleasure.
And we'll see you next time for another exciting exploration.